What's up, guys? Welcome back to Half Man Half Tech. My name is Ben, your host. So what you are seeing here is actually a new watch face that Apple has just released, and it's called the Unity Light watch face. Now, in case of the supported series or Apple Watch that you need to be able to have this watch face, you need an Apple Watch Series 4 and newer. And if you want to add this to your Apple Watch, you can alternatively just hold here and go all the way to the far right and click new or add, and you'll be able to see that this Unity Light watch face is in the middle of all the watch faces or the new watch face page, as you can see, and you can add it from there. If you don't see it here, since this is something that just came out today, you can actually try and add it from your iPhone by just going into the Apple Watch application, and then from there you'll see that in the new watch face gallery section, this is the first watch face that actually shows up. So you can also add it from there, and if you don't see it here, you can go all the way down to the U section of your watch face. Since this one is also Unity like what we had last year in 2021, you will be able to see that the Unity watch face is here. So that's how you can find it, and you need an Apple Watch Series 4 and newer. So let's read more about it and see what it means and represent. And you can see here that the description says that this face is inspired by Afrofuturism, a philosophy that explores the experience of the African diaspora through science, technology, and self-employment. So it goes on to explain what the hour hand and minute hand do. So basically that's just a simple description of what it does or what it represents. And to put it in simple terms for you, this watch face is inspired by Afrofuturism and symbolizes the necessity for a more equitable world. So a better push from Apple, and also better support for advancing racial equity and justice. So you can see that this one is basically like an addition to what we had last year. So if like what you saw on my watch face here, when it comes to Unity, you can see that Apple also released this Unity one, and this basically was like a watch. They released a new watch face and a watch that basically had colors of the Pan-African flag. And with the one that they released today, you can see that it's the same colors, and these colors actually have meaning. I believe red is for the blood that unites the African diaspora people, and then also black is, I guess, for the people, and then green symbolizes the wealth that Africa has. So here I want to show you how you can get this on your Apple Watch and also see what other products were released today. So if you open up the Apple Store, you can get this app from the App Store. If you open it up, you'll see that if you go to the shop section, it's the first thing that will show up, since this is something that's new, and it says black Unity braided solo loop. So if you click here, you'll be able to see that Apple did not just release a new Unity Light watch face, but they also released this braided solo loop band, and it's actually something that's cool. And this is how it looks on a watch that has the Unity Light watch face. So you can see here more pictures and so on. And also if you go to the website and go to where it says apple.com/watch, you also be able to see that it's the first thing that shows up here, and you can also see what black Unity means and what it symbolizes and so on. And you'll be able to see the braided solo loop, the black Unity braided solo loop that Apple released today. And also from the web page, you can download the Unity Light watch face if you didn't see it on your Apple Watch, or if you didn't see it in your watch app. So let me know whether you want me to leave this link here so that you can easily add it to your watch. And that's basically what it does and what it represents. In terms of how you can customize it, it's really simple like any other watch face. And you can see here, you can edit it here on the Apple Watch. You can choose dial, full screen, or you can choose circular. I like a rectangle. And you can see the style. We have the plain that doesn't have anything, and then we have one that shows the watch sections here, as you can see. And basically I just like the plain one. And also you can see that you can choose black or you can choose color, and if you are in the rectangle mode, you can't add complications, and I just like it like this. And there's more options that you can actually see on the iPhone. So on the iPhone, if you actually go to the Apple Watch app, you can see that you have the same options. You can choose like color, you can choose black, or you can choose unity colors, and we already know what those colors means. And when you choose a rectangle, you can see that the complication section here has been disabled or is unresponsive, because this rectangle style or dial doesn't support complications. But the moment you select circular, you can be able to add these complications, and you can always customize it according to your need. And that is basically about it when it comes to this Unity Lights watch face that Apple has released today. Remember, it's not just like a watch face only, but you can see that, you know, Apple released this braided solo loop Unity band, and you can always buy it from Apple. If you're buying in Canadian dollars, it's about $119, but if you're buying from the US, it's about $100 US dollars. So that's about it for me, guys, when it comes to a little bit of information about this new Unity Lights watch face. Let me know whether there's something that I left out that you might want to see in another video, or if you have any questions. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and stay safe, and I'll definitely see you in the next video. Peace.